Hi, I am here to talk about how to write a claim letter. That's a letter when something's wrong and you're the customer and you are complaining. Now, unfortunately, all of us will have to write one or more of these in our lifetime when things just don't work. So, how to write them? You're the dissatisfied customer. You get to choose, make believe what the product is and what the problem is, or the service, whatever. Two kinds of claim letters. One is there's no argument, routine claim letters. No one would question your complaint or request. Those are short and sweet. Use a direct approach. Describe the request, what the problem is. This didn't work. There is a warranty. I want you to replace it. Thank you very much for your help. That's it. Use a direct approach. Be polite, though, reasonable. Provide enough detail. You need to put all the details, serial numbers, whatever, to clarify the basis for your claim. You'll have to make that up, of course. And conclude by expressing goodwill. I hope to enjoy your restaurant at a future date. Something like that. Those are fairly easy. The difficulty thing there is to be polite and reasonable because you're usually angry. The arguable ones, the ones where they might push back a little bit. They might say, no, it's not our company policy. So for that, use an indirect approach. Don't immediately start with your complaint. Talk about how you have enjoyed eating at their restaurant for years. And my gosh, you were surprised to find whatever the problem was. The company's good reputation. I've always bought these kind of bicycles, and I am startled to find out that the wheel fell off. Explain, support your claim. You probably need more details here. And then what do you want them to do? To replace it? To give you a refund? What do you want? And then, of course, thank them. Because you want them to smile and say, sure, go ahead. Okay? Off now.